Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to review the Pendo bakery management system. As you all know, that is a project for 2024 computer studies students. So the question is right here with me. Let us review the question first. So the Pendo bakery management system is a small company run by entrepreneurs that are intense in selling and delivering their products. The products are strawberries, vanilla, and chocolate. All of them are cakes. They are sellable in their inventory, and the cakes can be decorated with your own flavor that you've chosen, though they are optional. But then we go further and see that you can uh, you can add some preferences on the cake, depending on the way you want lettering, like lettering on the cake, speckles, or topping of something. So the question continues and tell us that the cakes are sold in terms of weight and price. So as you can see, the table goes as follows. Okay, and the other part is delivery part. We have the vehicle, the distance, and the price. So the transport or the delivery service occurs in less than 10 kilometers and 10 kilometers or more, depending on how far you are. But the question says in the company that it offers delivery services within the same location. So if you are far, I think that won't happen. Okay, another part is the client who purchases more than 2 cakes of the same flavor. Let's say the same flavor is strawberry, 2 strawberries of 1 kg, you get a 20% discount. Yeah. If a client has made purchase and cleared their fees but failed to receive the items, the transaction is noted as compensate transaction, while the other one is a successful transaction. So yes, the questions need to be fulfilled. Not a lot of questions compared to last year's Maringo Sports Club system. So let me go straight to the database. So the database project is fully made. You can get yourself a copy on the website or through the contact details I'll be leaving in the description below. Okay, let me open the project first. Okay, so here's the project. It has loaded, and the form that you're seeing here is a switchboard. The switchboard is a form that opens when you run the program. So the switchboard contains of the name of the company, the forms, the reports, and the buttons, maybe the logo, maybe. And so we have here's the switchboard. And so the first thing when you're in this project, you need to register yourself as a client so that you can continue making purchases or ordering deliveries. So we're going to register ourselves as a client. Just come here and click register, and then you can see these are the people who are available on the system. If you have a existing customer ID like this one, just go on and let's say you place your order in this button, that is the order form. So before you go that, let me just add another person so that you can go on well. So going to add a new record. These are buttons for navigations. So we're going to create a custom ID. So in this case, the ID field is an auto number. You know auto number, how it works. So let us go and input a customer ID. So our customer ID would be, let's say, 7896, and then the full name, let's say Mary. The gender is female. It's a lookup wizard. Date of birth. Just select any date. County, let's say Nairobi. Payment mode, it's either cash or an EFT. You all know that EFT is the electronic funds transfer, that is either M-Pesa or any other electronic transfer mode. So I'm going to take cash and save the record. So let me remember the ID field, the customer ID, since we're going to use in the order. That is 7896. Mary Dawn, that's the name. So let's proceed on to the order form. The order form is right here. So the order form has those sections, the sections of the subform and the form itself. That's the order form. I hope you all know how to create a subform. Okay, these are the flavors that I need. I can just go on and add anything that I want, but leave it empty. I'm going to place the order. The order is successfully placed, and let us close the form. And these are the tables, manage products. Here you can go on and add your own product. Let's say you have let's say another product, you can just add here, but the question tells us that there are three products in the inventory. These are the reports. This question has a lot of queries, so you won't have a lot of forms to add in data, since the question is very simple. So these are the delivery distance by type of vehicle report, type of kick types by transactions, all company deliveries. Yeah, all these are computed through the query section. Very simple to do it. Let me show you some few queries. Here are some queries that can help you. You can see I have a lot of queries that helped me to come up with those reports, and that's it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Also, we have the product on our website. The website is www.legacystudios.com/projects. You can get yourself a copyright there. You can download the question or inquire for anything else there. We have a Facebook page that will be linked.